color. There's a lot of ways to do it. One way is just using overlay and color way, but that particular method, the color will look a bit thin. Okay, so you have to paint on top of it somehow. That's why usually the detail grayscale, all the detail is not being painted yet. It's more like a rough idea that what that region will be. Okay, a suggestion on what that area will be. Then during the color phase, drop the major color. Then you start to go into it, the color phase. Then you start to do material study as well. You know that a lot of things, yeah, something to share with you guys is that no matter what I'm doing over here, if lighting fails, everything falls apart. So that means you need to study a bit about the lighting as well. Right. So yeah, any more questions?
Normally, how long do you think you do graphic design?
How long to do a graphic design?
Something the one that you work on your free time, the one you saw.
You mean which one? Let me see. You mean this one?
Yes.
Oh, this one. Took me about 8 hours plus. Yeah, 8 hours plus. But I need to say this again. There's this thing called the quality, quantity, and time, right? So I would advise anyone, if let's say you're just starting out on concept, to rush into like getting a painting done in like, oh, the pro can do it in 2 hours, I need to do it in 2 hours, then you will get yourself very stressed out and then have extra pain and then fall sick and things like that. But I rather is that spend like the time is something that you cannot forgo, okay, but you still want to have the quality, then that means the quality will drop a bit. Then you probably have to spend more time. Quality and quality you need to count. You need to keep it to the level. That means you need to spend a lot of time. That means if let's say the pro can do it in 2 hours, then you spend 16 hours trying to make it right. Because once you can do it once, you can do it twice, your speed starts again. You start to increase in your inner speed. And then before you know, you can start to do paintings in 4 hours, then 2 hours, then you can do like some crazy people 15 hours. I mean 15 minutes and everything come out. Yeah, like Jordan Zero, he can create a like a landscape painting in like 15 minutes. He say 15 minutes speed sketching, and then it look freaking crazy. Yeah. Well, this whole is unfair. Yeah, but anyway, any more questions?
What do you think will make a
What do I think will make a good IP? If I know, I probably would be trained. Right. Okay. Regarding this, right? I can just say something. Even for me and my partner, my business partner, we are actually exploring, and sometimes we do testing, market testing. We work with a publisher to probably set up some like questionnaires to public and things like that. But those are very time-consuming. Okay, those things are done from their side, or we can just ask from friends like what you usually like. And, okay, but okay, this is some process that we are trying to find out. Okay, but we still don't know the correct answer for it. Okay, it's an exploration. Okay, but like for like I mentioned earlier, the Bollywood. They introduce reincarnation into the movie, okay, and it's well received. Okay, it's probably because perhaps they are doing something that touched their base of their customer region. That means they themselves feel that hey, it's something that belongs to us, and we should do something like that. You know what I mean, right? So perhaps maybe it's time for us to also explore this thing about ourselves, that do something that the locals will like, or something which is I mean, a lot of people actually like it. It belongs to them.
Maybe I just add on a bit based on my own experience. Okay, but anyway, I see there's interest, so please stay in touch with our CG Protege Facebook. I will do some free talks on this to share with you my own experience in building a company from scratch, from a 10-man office to 120 people now. Okay, to answer your question, okay, I have a bit of experience in this area because that's what we do in independence. I think firstly you need to understand about the market when you want to create an IP. For me, number one in IP creation is merchandising. TV shows to make money, film to make money. So a lot of students, right, normally they like to design things very dark, very scary, whatever, just for the own like it. Okay, that's fine. If you're Tim Burton, you have somebody, you have your own fan group, right, that's fine. It's you have your own followers, right? But if not, most investors or distributors, whatever, they always play the safe rule, is the G rating, for the children and all, because that's the safest. But having said that, that because it's wider, G rating is wider, right? But there's also very specific market for otaku, right? The gigs, right? I mean, yeah, but then the market is smaller, then the investors may not want to invest. So if you really hardcore, you say, I want to create stuff for otaku, I want to create stuff for the things, right? Which is fine. So what you need to do is that you need to build fans, okay? Today's IP creation is different from last time. It's all about fans. It's a relationship, it's branding, right? This is something I learned. Last time you just do a thing, you put on TV, if it does well, it does well, it doesn't do well, it doesn't do well. Now it's more than that. Like now we do Dream Defenders, right? It's really a worldwide campaign, a 360 campaign. It's just like Angry Bird, for example. Remember this word, relations. All these are new. It's new to me. I don't know, is it new to you, but it's new to me. So creating an IP is not just drawing nice and all these things. Merchandise, all these things is one thing, but very important is your relation. Your relation with the fans. That's why now, all these sexy words that we're using, we call it transmedia, and in the past we say 360 and whatever more. There's actually a different. Transmedia basically, okay, I gave a talk at one of the business seminars recently. Transmedia, you're actually using multiple media, not showing the same thing, but showing different parts of the universe and engage the users. The whole idea is about relations. Your relationship with the fans. Look at Star Wars. Star Wars is about relations. Even if they change something or they do something different, the fans may complain so much, but they still die, throw the money in and buy the product because they are fans, right? So IP creation now is not just about creating something nice, but also fans, branding. Okay, all these things you have to look into it. So I'll talk a bit more in another talk next time, right? But most important, merchandise. It's all about merchandise. I'm sorry, but I sound very practical, but it's all merchandise. You don't do something that you love, but what your fans want. That's very important. Okay, I hope that answers the question. Sorry.
In fact, actually,